They say, in an old mansion at the edge of town, a strange couple once lived. Nobody dared to cross their path. At night, people heard screams vanish into silence, only to be replaced by the rhythmic thud of knives. The couple would kidnap murderers and rapists, hand them to their loyal servants, and as the blades came down, the servants chopped the bodies into pieces. But the most unsettling part, neighbors swore they saw shadows through the curtains. The couple dancing gracefully, swaying romantically to the beat of the chopping.